The Prime Minister attacked the opposition, saying some have made Agnipath scheme a very sensitive issue. The Prime Minister said the army reform was a bold reform by the army. It ensured younger and more capable soldiers. The Prime Minister has gone on to say that some people, for their selfish interests, are doing politics over an army reform, saying that the Agnipath scheme was aimed at ensuring that the Indian army remained continuously fit for war. Listen in.
हमारी सेनाओं ने बीते वर्षों में कई साहसिक निर्णय लिए हैं। सेना द्वारा किए गए जरूरी रिफॉर्म्स का एक उदाहरण अग्निपथ स्कीम भी है। अग्निपथ का लक्ष्य सेनाओं को युवा बनाना है। अग्निपथ का लक्ष्य सेनाओं को युद्ध के लिए निरंतर योग्य बनाए रखना है। दुर्भाग्य से राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा से जुड़े इतने संवेदनशील विषय को कुछ लोगों ने राजनीति का विषय बना दिया है। कुछ लोग सेना के इस रिफॉर्म पर भी अपने व्यक्तिगत स्वार्थ में झूठ की राजनीति कर रहे हैं। ये वही लोग हैं जिन्होंने सेनाओं में हजारों करोड़ के घोटाले करके हमारी सेनाओं को कमजोर किया।
Joining with me is Congress Member of Parliament Karti Chidambaram. Sir, Prime Minister spoke at the Kargil Vijay Divas today. He defended the Agniveer scheme, to which you guys have been saying constantly that Agniveer scheme should be rolled back.
Agniveer scheme should be scrapped. Modern warfare requires fully trained professional soldiers, full-time soldiers, not part-time soldiers. And the Agniveer scheme neither trains nor does it give a full-time permanent commission. And that's not the need of the Indian Army. The Indian Army needs fully trained, completely fully equipped to deal with technological warfare, which is how the trend is going to be going forward. The Agniveer does not fulfill the needs of a professional army. The Agniveer is a short-term outsourced program which should be scrapped, and the army must go back to its time-tested methods of recruiting full-time soldiers and officers.
Prime Minister also attacked the opposition and stated that for the opposition, army is just for saluting the netas.
I think that's a very unfortunate comment. The Indian army should not be dragged into petty party politics. The Indian army has a glorious past and has fought many battles and has defended our nation and continues to defend our nation. We salute the army. It's not the army saluting us. We salute the army.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. That was Congress MP Karti Chidambaram speaking to NDTV.